If you want to upscale your photos up to 4K, 8K, 16K, or maybe even 32K, it's all possible. I have an amazing software, it's called ART Image Enhancer, and it can upscale your photos super big. This is suitable for printing if you want to have big prints of your photos, or maybe you just want to have some AI artwork in really big sizes. Besides that, it can also remove blur from your photos and noise, so you can really enhance your photo to make it super big and super sharp. And the best thing about this is you can try it out yourself for free to see if it works for you. Let's see how it works. Here I'm at the starting screen of ART Image Enhancer, and the only thing I have to do is I have to import my photo. So let's take a photo and put it here. And now it's gonna analyze your photo, so we have to wait a couple of seconds until this is done. It is done with analyzing, and let me zoom out here a bit to see this better. And you can see we have this toucan. Now you can already see the result it's generating. This was before and this is after. Look at all those details. Here you can see we can upscale this photo. So we can upscale up to 32K. If you have a photo that is 4K, you can upscale it 8 times, which makes it 32K. So I'm gonna go for 8 times. And here you can also select different AI models. If you want to have some information about these models, click on this question mark and we'll get some information. Now, I think for this photo, this AI model looks great. Now you can see the noise is gone, the details are super sharp, and everything looks super amazing. Now, here we have the export settings. And if you want to select JPEG, you can do this here. If you want to have PNG, you can select here from 8 or 16 bits. In quality, I'm going to leave it at 100 because I want to have the best possible quality. It's going to be a little bit bigger file, but that's fine because I'm going to use this for print anyways. Then we only have to go to run and it's done. And let's look at the result here. This is our photo. Look how great that quality looks. And that's how easy it is to upscale your photos up to 32K if you want to create some really big prints, or maybe you just need some big files of your photos to get the best possible quality. Try it out yourself for free. Check the link in the description. It's super amazing. I use it all the times and I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it too. Thanks for watching this video and catch you on the next one.